Welcome back guys, thank you very much for joining me. Today we're going to look at the Makita MLS100 compound mitre saw. We're going to take a look over it, go through some specifications, we're going to go into demonstration, and then we're going to finish with some final thoughts at the end. So let's see what it's got to offer.
So for some specifications, it's got a power output of 1500 watts, of course it's 240 volt and corded. It's got a maximum mitre range, 45 degrees left and right. Maximum depth of cut, 75mm at 90 degrees and 45mm at 45 degrees. It's got a maximum width of cut of 130mm, a bore size of 30mm, and the total weight is 14.7 kilograms. And it comes complete with the Makita B TCT 48 tooth blade. To release the arm, we press down gently on the saw and gently pull the locking pin at the back. To alter the angle of the cut, simply unscrew the handle at the front, press down with your thumb on the locking nut and turn to the desired setting. This ranges from 0 to 45 degrees left and right. To alter the bevel of the cut, unscrew the locking nut at the back and tilt up to 45 degrees.
So there we go guys, that is the Makita MLS100 compound mitre saw. Now there is a few things I would have changed on it, such as the release button there and maybe the catch at the top, just to make it a little bit more easy to use. But I guess that reflects the price. But all in all, it's a pretty good saw and I would recommend it. Again, you get what you pay for, that's what I always say. So thank you very much for joining me. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video guys.